Hey, what's up, YouTube? Comfrey for Life here. Box opening at Frank & Sons by David. Saturday, the new set coming out. That glare, though. Alright, Mad Spectre Toad. Yeah, my friend David here, he bought a box, and he opened up the first 4 packs on the left side, and he pulled the 2 secret rares already, so he just ended up selling the rest of the box and getting another one. And he pulled the Pendulum Sorcerer. Come up. Them supers every pack. My eyes are gonna get blinded twice as fast with all this shininess.
Yeah, dude, the glare sucks.
Alright, Turtle Dude's good. That rare.
I'm getting tired of sorting out those.
Yeah.
That was a bad idea on my part.
What?
Sorting out the rares.
Oh, yeah, definitely. We got an Ultra Quaking Mirror Force. What does that one do again?
I'm not too sure.
Come on, focus. There we go.
It's the one that turns all of your opponent's monsters in face down defense position.
Alright, whatever. My camera on my phone ain't good enough. I know it's super rare.
I hate this guy.
I don't even know what this stuff does except the good cards.
I mean, I don't know what he does in the archetype.
It's really
I just know
irrelevant.
I've been packing a lot of them.
You don't need to go through the comments. You can just like open up the foils. People don't really care about the comments. You're just like, all right, we got foil, we got foil. Honestly, I don't know why people like watching openings. Apparently, that's pretty decent. With the Master Pendulum. Gotta master the pendulums if you want to do good in Yu-Gi-Oh nowadays.
Man, no twin twister or anything.
Don't worry, you only gone through like a quarter of the box. I bet the secrets are probably at the bottom this time.
I'm not too lucky every time, I guess.
Hey, how about you like open up the last pack of each side, see if there's secrets.
Alright.
Doesn't hurt. Oh, super rare. Will the other side have equal luck? Or will he pull a good secret rare? Alright, so it's not the last pack on each side. Not the last pack on each side.
Somewhere in there then. Yeah.
Yeah. No, he hasn't pulled any secrets yet. No. Oh, that was decent. Betting Aerodine. Ariadne. Sword Troopers. Oh man. It's like Storm Troopers, but it's Sword Troopers. So original Konami. Come on, supers. So many secrets.
You know it's possible not to get a secret.
I mean, everything's possible, but I highly doubt it. You're gonna get secrets. Be patient.
I'll start opening random packs now. I don't care.
Alright, random packs.
How do you use this? How do you use this?
More supers.
Busted Blader, you shitty.
Garbage. This garbage.
This shit, it's like it's like as it works as a trap.
And Rafflesia.
Not complete garbage.
You could chain this card to the sun.
Dynamist Rex. Not even a dinosaur, it's a freaking machine. Here's a Twin Twister. Twin Twister!
Buster
Is that the Ultra?
Yeah.
Buster Dragon. My phone camera does not like me today. Oh well. I think I have to click on it to like focus it, but yeah, let's see if I can. Nope, my phone doesn't like me. Maybe I could give it a little more. Alright. Another super rare. Already pulled our ultras and our secrets.
Yeah.
Last pack of the box. The third ultra?
I guess so.
Nice. So we got a recap. Oops, something fell, just the packs. Got those super. Hey, it's focusing now. It's probably because of the light. Here we go. Oh, it's just focusing. So 3 ultras and then secrets. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.